What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. My name is Milo and I do travel and lifestyle vlogs. Now, for the first trip of the year, I decided to come to Orlando to show you guys what it's like to stay at Universal's Endless Summer Resort. So stick around till the end of the video so you don't miss the room tour, the hotel tour, and obviously all the information you need to know before booking your stay here. Are you guys ready? Well, hold on. Before we even go anywhere, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, activate the bell so you guys get notified when new videos come out. And if you enjoy the vlog, don't forget to hit the like button as well. Okay, you ready? Let's go! Done with the check-in, now let's talk business. How much is it to stay here at Universal's Endless Summer Resort? Right now, they do have a special offer for Florida residents at $79 plus tax per night. And this is for a standard room. A standard room is pretty much composed of 2 queen beds and it sleeps up to 4 people. So not bad for a family or even a couple like Daniela and myself. For all my non-Florida residents, nothing to worry about because Universal also has a special offer for you guys at $104 per night plus taxes for the same type of room. The only difference is that you must travel here between April and May of 2021. If you cannot make it here between those months, just know that the average night rate here is $109 plus tax, so it's still pretty good value. Remember that Universal's Endless Summer Resort, both Dockside and Surfside, are the value resorts, and let me tell you, they are very affordable and they're very nice hotels too. Hey, future Milo here, just reminding you to add $15 per night for parking fees. This is something I found out about after checking out of the hotel, so now you know. Hey guys, come in, welcome to the room. Now, the first thing that you're gonna find as soon as you walk in is this mirror right here. Then you keep on walking, you're gonna have a little closet with some hangers, you're safe. Now, right in front, you're gonna find the bathroom. So here, you're gonna have a mirror, sink, soap, some towels, and just a regular bathroom with your shower and your toilet, nothing too crazy. But again, this is pretty nice. Let's remember that this hotel was open just a few weeks ago at the end of December, so awesome. The other thing that I do have to tell you is, as far as housekeeping services, they are very limited right now. So if you need any bathroom amenities, any linens, any fresh towels, you have to request them ahead of time and they will be delivered to your door. No housekeeping team member is allowed to come into your room or any other guest's room during your stay. So if you walk out of your room and it's a total mess, don't be surprised if you find it like that when you come back. But anyway, here we got 2 queen beds, which is pretty good. It could sleep up to 4 people like I had mentioned. And let's test out the mattress, shall we? Pretty comfortable, really good. Everything's brand new, it feels awesome. But you know what the best thing here is? The view. Check this out. Here, you still have to wear the face mask over your nose and mouth in all public areas. And before you come in, they do have temperature checks. So again, they give you a wristband. Every day is a different color, and that way all the team members here know that you've been checked. I just finished filming the room tour, but you know what? I couldn't leave this out, and I really think it's awesome the fact that they leave a hand sanitizer in your room. It's branded. It even smells good. They also put your remote inside a bag, which means it's been thoroughly sanitized, I hope. They also give you a soap, shampoo, and conditioner. And again, everything is branded. This is awesome. Can't wait to try them out. All right, now back to the video. There are two sides to every story, and Universal's Endless Summer Resort is not the exception. This resort is actually composed of two different hotels. They're right in front of each other. One side is the Surfside Inn Suites, built in 2019, and the other side, which is where we're staying today, is the Dockside Inn Suites, built in 2020. And just so you guys know, Surfside has a little over 700 rooms, while Dockside has a little over 2,000 rooms. Okay guys, welcome to the pool area, and just so you know, this hotel has one pool, one fitness center, one game room, a Universal Studios official store, and a Universal Vacation Planning Center. On top of that, it's got two restaurants, well, one and a half. They have a Starbucks. The other one, it's called Pier 8 Market. The hotel also has two different bars. The first one is the Sunset Lounge by the lobby area, and the second one, it's here. It's the Oasis Beach Bar. And fun fact, this property was built on what it used to be Wet n Wild water park. So the drinks at the Oasis Bar are named after different rides at Wet n Wild. Awesome, right? Okay guys, let's talk about the benefits of staying at a Universal Orlando Resort hotel. First of all, the early park admission, it's actually an hour before the park opens. 2, the free transportation from the hotels to the parks. 3, you can also turn your key, which, where's my key? Give me 1 second. Whew, made it back in time. Okay, your key, you can actually turn it into your credit or debit, well, your credit card right here. So you don't have to walk around with your wallet. You can just swipe this, and every charge is going to be added to your hotel charge, which is pretty cool. The last benefit of staying here at Universal's Endless Summer Resort is that you can buy whatever you want throughout the park or city walk and have those purchases delivered straight to your door. If you stay at one of the more expensive hotels, you also have the benefit of having Universal's Express Pass included, which is pretty awesome. You do not want to miss next week's video, where I'm going to test some of these benefits out and see how good or how bad they turned out to be. Alright guys, so remember, if you enjoyed the vlog, hit the thumbs up, and you guys haven't seen my best or my worst video yet, so subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you guys get notified when new videos come out, and with that, from Universal's Endless Summer Resort. I'll see you guys in the next video.